Hello, teacher.
Hi, Jimmy.
Let me take some light.
Let there be light. Let's see. I wonder if Simon is going to join us today. Hmm, okay. Let's see. Otherwise, we will just continue almost like last time. If Simon doesn't show, then we will have another free lesson or a free talking lesson, I should say.
Let
Uh,
us ask. Let us ask him.
oh, what did you say?
Let me ask him.
Hmm, please do. I'm also asking the head teacher here. Well, while we are waiting, tell me, Jimmy, how was your day?
Mm, Today is a very yeah, I have two many things. Like I spend like entire morning just to go into the gym or and do some workout for my
Okay,
arm.
okay, okay.
And after that I I skip the like the lunch and I skip the lunch and play the game for like 8 hours. 8 hours. Right now it's 8 hours.
Okay. Jeez. So, when last did you eat?
Mm, I think I the last thing I eat is a bread for the workout.
Jeez. So are you fasting, dieting?
Mm, I am right on dieting, but not too hot, not too hot.
Hmm,
I I can eat like normal, but I but a little bit uh,
interesting.
smaller smaller meal.
I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is important to do that because if you completely stop eating, if you completely stop eating, what happens is your metabolism slows down too. Metabolism is the rate which your body burns fat, which your body uses food. So slowing your metabolism down is bad. You want a fast metabolism. For example, if you eat, let's say 5 times a day, but it's small meals, these are good. These keep your metabolism up. It keeps your body active. So it constantly wants to burn energy. But if you don't eat, your body slows down. It wants to save energy. It wants to save the fat and the energy you have in your body
Mm.
because your body thinks, oh, it's now a long winter coming or something like that. So it wants to preserve energy. So you have to trick your body in thinking, there's plenty of food. That's the idea of the diet that you are taking. I also need to go on a diet. Teacher is getting big. Uh, let's see. Uh, eh? Well, the one teacher said he did. She did call him.
He's yawning right now. He's yawning. He's yawning.
Ah, okay. Ah, I see.
Yeah, he's here.
Hello, Simon.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Alive.
Yeah.
And how was your day?
Nothing.
Your day was nothing. I doubt that. Your day has to be something.
So
I
you
don't
don't
have.
read?
Come. What did you do today? You had to do something. Even sleeping is doing something.
I just play my phone at home.
Ah, did you just play a bit on your phone? That's okay. So you were relaxing today.
Yes.
Okay. You see, you did something. You didn't do nothing. There is no such thing as nothing. We are always doing something. Even when you are just doing nothing, that means you are lying down in bed and just staring. But these are still something. Okay, let's see. So today, oh wait. Before I go that, let me think. Should I? Yeah, we can. Okay, let's continue where we were. Oop, we were this one. So we were lost. Last one we did was the 4 seasons, right? We already read the text. I think we can just have a quick debate, a very quick debate about the seasons. So let's ask Jimmy, what do you think? Is it more expensive to live in a country with 4 different seasons?
And
So, for example, I think there by you, there is only 2 seasons, right?
yes.
Do you think it's more expensive to live in a country where it has many seasons, 4 seasons?
Mm, very hard to talk because on the sun, if you wear something too much, it will be faster to ruin it, and
Mm-hmm.
it will be can looking and like the cloth, it will be like have some holes or something like that,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and you must be buy something new.
Mm-hmm.
But in the fourth season, many season,
Mm-hmm.
we must buy many each type of clothes for each type of season. Like the
Mm-hmm.
winter, you might be want some warm clothes. Like the fall and the winter will be cool, so you must have a warm. And the summer you need a short or something make you more not too too hot. Yes.
To
So
cool
it
down,
will,
something cool
yes,
clothes to cool down. Mm.
yes. So
I,
it
I,
will have the little bit different from each country.
mm. I like what you're saying. So you saying that where there is only 2 seasons, the problem is that you wear the same clothes a lot more. So you use the same clothes more, which means that it will get damaged or it gets wear and tear, as they say. But in a country where there is 4 seasons, you need more clothes. because you need to have like warm clothes for fall, warmer clothes for winter, then cool clothes for spring, and even cooler clothes for summer. I like that. I like the way you are thinking. Uh, so yeah, like you said, but if you had to choose one, which one do you think is more expensive?
The many season one.
I also think so because even though it won't be damaged as fast as the 2 season one, you still have to buy more clothes and eventually they get damaged. Okay.
Mm.
What about you, Simon? What do you think? Which one is more expensive?
Mm,
4 seasons or two
I
seasons?
think 4 seasons is often more expensive.
Why do you
Mm,
say so?
I think because people need to buy for heating, air conditioning,
Mm-hmm.
uh, seasonal clothes, and
Mm-hmm.
better housing.
Well done. Yes, I agree. So there you pulled something else up. You put something else in the subject, which is weather. The different types of weather you get. It's not just hot and cold. You also get, for example, in springtime, it's very nice. In summer, it's very, very hot. So the sun can hurt the houses, it can damage the cars, it can damage a few things. And then here in fall, sometimes it might be rainy season or it starts to rain a lot. So now you have to worry about having the right protection for that for your house. And when it's very cold, you need to worry about the ice or very cold weather also damaging your house. So I like that. Yes. Uh, Having different types of protections for your house and yourself, obviously. I like that. That's very good. Okay. Jimmy, people living in a country with only one season are lazy. What do you think?
Um, uh, uh, Each question is asking about two things. That
Mm,
is about activity and the
mm,
mind. I think about the activity, the people in a country with
mm,
one season is lazy
mm,
because they
mm,
just have the smaller like uh square of the many
mm,
season.
mm,
Mm.
mm. So there's only so
And
many
this
activities a person can do. Yeah, yeah.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah, but in the mind, because they have a smaller activity to do, so they must think about what to do. So they
Mm.
so they might want lazy.
I like that. I like that. What about you, Simon? What do you think?
Mm, I think some people believe that people living in countries with only one season are lazier because
Mm-hmm.
the weather is stable and life feels more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
However, laziness depends on personality and attitude.
Very good.
Mm,
Very good. That is what Jimmy was also saying. Um, Activity wise, maybe they are lazy because there's only so much you can do. There's like because where there are places with one season, this is usually very extreme weather. For example, in Dubai, it's only summer. In the desert, it's only summer. There is no winter. The same with places like Antarctica or the North Pole. It's only winter. yeah, there is summer, but it's only one season, which is basically cold. So I agree with you, there's less to do. You can't go swimming in Antarctica. Not a good idea. And you can't go snowboarding or skiing in the desert. There is no ice. So I agree with you. They could be lazy activity wise, but like you said, personality wise, the way you think, I think that in some cases, these people need to be a bit more active. For example, in a place where it is the desert, you need to think constantly, how am I going to get water? How do I get water to my house? Make sure there's always water. Make sure there's people that are looked after. And in a place like even in a place like Antarctica, you need to worry about how am I going to get water or how am I going to get heat? How am I going to make sure my family is warm? How do I make sure that if one of them gets hurt, that I go to a hospital? Because these places usually there's not a lot of people. It's usually very secluded. So a lot of people don't go in, a lot of people don't get out. But very good answers. I like that. You guys are thinking out of the box today. Very good. Okay, let's see. Let's go, Simon. Simon, people living in a country where 4 seasons are more active. Interesting. Good wording.
Mm,
Would you say people with 4 seasons are more active?
mm,
Yeah.
uh, I think yes, because seasonal change encourage them to try different activities
Mhm.
throughout the year.
Well done. Well done. Well said.
For
Just there. Just there.
yes,
You covered everything. What about you, Jimmy?
Um, they they um they are active. I agree that they are active, but more active, I don't think so. Because
Interesting.
like like I talked about, they have the amount of resource, the amount of thing to do is
Mm,
smaller,
mm,
but
mm,
they so they can enjoy their life. So they have much more activity to do, like
mm.
enjoying watching TV. They don't they don't have to think like, what if my wife eat by a lion and I won't get any kid? They won't have to think about that. So they have a lot more time to try and do things, not just thinking.
That's a very good point. Uh, you know, the whole time I was thinking Simon is right. Simon is right. Simon is 100%. But your argument there, it made it hard for me because I think like Simon said, because there is more the seasons there's so many seasons, there's more to do. So in a case like that, not only is there more to do, there's more options, and there is also, how can I say, it's more likely to have pleasant weather, to go outside, to interact with people, to talk with people. But Jimmy brings a good point, which is just because people have less to do doesn't mean that will stop them from doing that, even if they're doing it over and over and over and over again. So, for example, in a place with 4 seasons, you can say the one season, they go swimming, they go horse riding, they go play badminton or so on. And the next season, they play others. But a place where there's one season, it means they can do 4 activities. The next season, they do the same 4 activities. The next season, they do 4 activities. So they do the same thing, but just as regularly. Whew. Okay. Oh, I can't decide. I think I'm going to go with Simon on this one. And the only reason why is because the weather is the only reason why. Only because there is more chance for good weather in a place where there are 4 seasons. But a place with one season, like I said, usually these are places where there are deserts, or it's very cold, or even like if it's constantly rainy, like the Amazon rainforest. Actually, your country is a good example of a place with only 2 seasons, because it's either entire time it's raining, we can't go outside, we can't go play outside because it's raining the whole time, or but there's also a time where it's only sunny and it's only, I don't know, it's hard. It's actually 55-45, but I'm a go with Simon. I'm a go with Simon. Okay. Very, very good job on that one, Jimmy. You actually argued very well there. Okay. So the next one we have is a new topic, and it's interesting because my generation still use this, but I think you guys don't really use this anymore. So the topic is asking us, do we still need libraries? So do we still need libraries today in the modern age? So let's see. What will make the library in your town a more exciting place for children? So let's give the first 2 ideas that we can give to Simon, and the other 2 ideas we can give to Jimmy. If you want, you guys can think over. You can think a little bit about your answer, or if you are ready, you can just tell me. Okay.
Can you ask the question again?
Okay. What will make the library in your town, your specific town, more exciting for children? Make them want to go to a library again. So I'm going to give you 2 options each. You can think over your options, and then when you are ready, just tell me. Simon or Jimmy, whichever one is first.
I think the library could organize fun activities such as storytelling seasons, and drawing competitions
Well
for
done.
children.
Yeah, that's definitely that's one. Having more activities, make them engage with books, actual physical books. See how it is to read out of a book, a storybook specifically. Drawing competitions is also a good idea. Make them think of a story that they read and then draw a picture for those books or something like that. I like that. I like that. Jimmy, have you thought of something yet?
I think I find something that
Mm-hmm.
instead of being like access to a small amount of the physical book, they
Mm-hmm.
can also can have like a struct like an internet book. Yeah, it will
Mm,
be a very good answer for
mm.
the that is many books that is the creator that don't have money to like
I like that.
to
Uh,
give them to the library.
mm,
So
mm.
the more internet ebook, it will access to more type of children that want to have
Uh,
a special type of book.
I,
Also, I think the two options.
mm,
Also, if we can know that the children like the children can also be a team. So
mm,
we can use some type of like a story game, yes, like a board
mm.
game. A board game that's right about something a board game, game that will make
Like
the kid
a group
thinking about,
activity almost.
yes, a group
Uh,
activity, but
okay.
not learning about the like the normal information.
Subjects and stuff. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, subject and information. They will access to get the story and the information from the game that have a big
I hear
story.
you.
Uh,
Almost like how Monopoly teaches you a little bit about finance and economy.
mm,
It's almost like how Monopoly teaches you even a little bit of math. Monopoly teaches you. We can try and use a board game, but to help them learn about a story or help them learn about something specific. Interesting. That's very good. And what I also like about the internet one is what I was thinking now is that if we give people access to the internet, there is a big issue that we all face. And that is if you type in, how do I read? The first thing that the problem is there is so much information out there of people telling you how to read. You sometimes don't know who to listen to, who is the right one to listen to. So if a library can maybe tell you, uh, if you want to know about this information, visit uh, www.iamsmart.com or something. Uh, then you know, okay, I can go to this site in this library. Give it also gives a chance for, like Jimmy said, people that don't have money for a personal computer or a personal device to be able to go on the internet and research. Um, yeah, I like that. And I also like what you said, Simon, in regards to activity, making it more fun for people, making it more fun for children, but in a creative way, as drawing, like listening to someone and then being able to imagine that picture is very good. Hmm, good guy. I like really. I'm enjoying today's topics. I have to say, you guys really are thinking. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm curious. Let's say, Simon, how often do you go to a public library?
I think Never.
Have you never been?
Um, I
Jeez. Okay. Can we quickly go in and out? Quickly in and out of class. So I'm quickly going to end. Come back.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Half time.